Hi students, today we are going to study about the Excel sheet. What is Excel? Yes, Excel is one of the branch of MS Office. We know that MS Office provides MS Word and MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Notes. There are a lot of options they are providing. As MS Office is a product produced by Microsoft company. So one of the Microsoft company. All of you know that what is a Microsoft company. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the MS Excel. MS Excel is made up by the rows or columns. Before we started the classes, we must know what is the column, what is the rows. Column is what, for example, we can see that I hope that in previous class you have studied about the Excel. Excel is like this component of the rows and columns. Component of rows and columns. You can see the window, for example, top to bottom, that is vertical, that is a columns. It is one A columns. Column start from alphabetic letter A, assigned by the alphabetic letter A. The first column, the second B column, C column. It will go so on. The last column, his name is XFD. See that? Notice the point here. The first letter A is a single letter. A, B, C, D. It will go after 26 letter Z. It will start again double A, B, A, C. And after finish the one more 26, it will start again B, A, B, C. The letter, it will turn to third letter. Third letter is what? Triple A, double A, B, double A, C. It will go so on. The last one is the XFD. We know that what is the last column name, what is the number of columns. So how many numbers of the column is there? Are there 16,384 columns. 16,384 columns. Listen to get column always coming from like this. One column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now here we are going to see the rows. Rows is this side here. That's the rows. First rows, second rows, third rows. It will go so on. What is the last row's name is? As we know that the column is starting from the alphabetic letter, but the rows is assigned by the numeric value 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. What is the last value? 10,48,000 or something. The last row's name is, means what? How many numbers of the rows are there? 10,48,000 or something. Okay, that is a rows. Columns, rows. Are you clear of it? What is the column? What is the rows? What is the column? What is the component of the column and rows called as cell. The component of the column and rows is called as cell. What do you mean of the active cell? Active cell means what? For example, when you take your mouse to anywhere, click any cell, it will be highlighted by power. The boundary will be highlighted. The body will become a dark color. This is called as active cell. This is called as active cell. What do you mean of the active cell? Active cell means what? We are going to do the action or operation on the active cell only, whatever may be here. That is the active cell. Now we are going to see how to do the operation in Excel sheet. Operation is nothing that is a multiply, addition, division, subtraction, percentage. That is the operation. One by one we are going to see now. Let's start now. Here. Now here, before going to this topic, you must know under that this each and every cell it has a unique address. Unique address is nothing that, for example, what is the address of this cell? What is the address of this cell? B. What is the row here? 2. What is the address of this cell? P2. P2. Now I am going to do the addition. How to do the addition?
Okay, this is the Excel sheet interface. Now we are going to see how to do the addition and subtraction and division and exponent, then average, multiplication. Actually, the Excel is one of, as we talked earlier previous classes, it's one of the good application which is provided by the Microsoft company. Now first option is the addition subtraction. All of you know that addition subtraction is very simple for it. I have taken the small value only. It means not like this. You can do only small number only, not like this. You can do the thousand number, lakh number. You can take any non-integer number. You can take it. You can find the answer. You can find the solution. Whatever operation what we have done here, addition, subtraction, division, exponent, average and multiplication, we can get the answer very quickly, at the time very accurately. That is the advantage of the using the MS Excel. Now first one is the addition and subtraction. See that I given the first one, we talked about that this is a column, okay. this is the rows. Okay, now here I written here items mobile and speaker webcam, and number of item is the 2 mobile and 3 speaker and 6 webcams. Each cost is, see that one mobile cost is 10,379 and one speaker is cost 7,866, and the third one, so one each webcam is price of 2,499. Okay, now we are going to do add. How to do the add here? Now here there are two methods is there. There are more method is there. I'm going to tell the two method how to do add or sum, both are same only. Okay, now here whenever do the any function equal sign, you have to put on the equal sign. You can find it near the backspace button in your keyboard. Just press that near the backspace key. Once you press it, it gives equal symbol. After that you have to follow by the numeric value. Here as we talked about each cell, it has a unique address. Each cell it has a unique address. You can do by the put on the value also, you can find it. For example 2 plus 3, enter, you get the answer. But when you do by manually, you can do it, but if you do by manually, it will take some time. For example, less than 10 number you can do very quickly, but in case if you want to add the sum of the number more than the 1000 numbers, it's difficult to do it. In this case, if we can take two method is auto sum, nothing that one you can see here the first method. I'm going to do the first method. After that I will come to here the equal symbol, just to select it and including the empty cell, just to select the number here 2 3 plus, we are going to add the number 2 plus 3 plus 6. I taken once again telling that one, I taken the only 3 number. In case we want to add the number more than 1000 number, lakh number, you can do it, but I this much number I cannot write it here, so I taken the very simple number 3 number. See that when you add the number, I'm going to tell about the add auto sum. See that select the 3 number and including the empty cell and go here. We can see here the home button near the auto sum. Once you click it, auto sum is generate the answer of 2 plus 3 plus 6, that gives 11. Okay, and another method equal symbol. See that you must understand that one equal symbol is important, but whatever you before do the multiply function or division function, any mathematical function operation, you must enter equal symbol. After that followed by the numeric value here. As we know that the plus sign is denoted by for additional, and minus is to subtract, and division means what, forward slashes, and exponent as one by one I will teach you. Okay, now here equal symbol. Once you enter the equal symbol, here you have to write here SUM. Once you start to type it, it comes the default pre saved pre designed names coming here, pre defined name coming here, SUM. Just click the SUM, and then here make sure that the left side bracket is or not. If not that, you have to give the left side bracket. Then here just take your mouse, left click without releasing up to, it is called as range, Excel range. Once you complete the selection, just release the left side mouse and then closing by the closing bracket, then hit enter, it gives the answer. You may thinking that once you do by the 3 numbers very difficult to it, but in this case when you want to select the one particular number, this is the easy for that. For example, I want to add only 2 number, in this method will help you to find the answer. Okay, now same method we are going to here. First method auto sum, you got answer. Now next way manual method, equal symbol and SUM. Make sure that left bracket is or not and select it, closing bracket, hit enter, equals answer. Now you did by the horizontal, we can do by the so we did by the vertical, we can do by horizontal also. Here same the auto sum, see that. Those people already know that, ignore it. Okay, now here we are going to see the division method. As we know that what is the division method, in this division we are not going to the division symbol to apply here. We are going to here the forward slashes. And what, as I talked earlier, whatever do the function, whatever operation, mathematical operation, before you do, you must enter the equal symbol, equals sign. Okay, after that, here you have to click here. See that once you click it, it provides the address. Sorry, address cell reference. Cell reference means what? G6. We no need to enter the manually. It comes automatically. After that, forward slash in your keyboard right side below above the number you can find it. After that, select the second number, hit enter, you get the answer here. Same method, next number, equal symbol, and select it and forward slashes, and click the second number, hit enter, you get the answer here. We did here the addition, subtraction we didn't do here. Okay, sorry, do it. Subtraction, same method here. I'm going to write any number here. How to get the subtraction here? Now, okay, same method, equal symbol here. See that manual method. Select the first number, minus symbol, you can see the right side of the keyboard, and select the next number, hit enter. Okay, another method also is there. Later I will discuss with you, because I don't want to put on in the trouble to make you confused here. First you understand the what is the fundamental operation of the mathematics calculation in Excel sheet. Once you understand the basic level, then you go for the intermediate level, and it's just the introduction. It's an introduction only. Okay, now here come to the exponent, sorry, division we got done. Now exponent. What do you mean by the exponent? We know that one, the base value you may have studied in max calculation, number system, exponent power, all of you know that what is the exponent is a power, exponent power, you may studied about it. Okay, now here and now we are going to find the value in the places what I told you, that you have to enter the equal symbol, put on enter the equal symbol, select the first number, then you can see the in your keyboard press shift with the release shift button. Above the alphabetic letter we can find the horizontal line number is placed there in the keyboard. Just press 6 button. It the power it means what? That is a power of the exponent. You have to next number you have to enter the exponent value. Click here and after that hit enter, it will answer. What is the advantage of using the Excel sheet? In the second we no need to make it again. For example, second again you have to enter equal symbol, click here and shift to 6 button, and next select it here without using you can find it. If you finish the first one, just take your mouse edge of the corner until it turn into the plus symbol, small symbol, just track it, it comes automatically. It is a predefined it. Now what is mean the E means what? There is a no space. Okay, we know there is a non terminating number is go so on. Okay, we can take here 1 2 3 here no? 1 2 6 1 2 6 1 2 4 8. Okay, you don't panic about it. What is mean of the E? It is about, you can change the value also, no matter. For making understand, making symbol method, don't want to put here confuse. Okay, here exponent, you can small number of 2 power 3. See that, see that what is interesting about the Excel sheet, as you changing the value, no need to enter again the value, the operation, the function. See that it automatically changing the answer. Got it? Now here we are going to see the average. Nothing, that one average is very simple. For that one, just to click here, empty cell near the average where written the name, equal symbol, and now start to type average. Once you start the average, it will ask you to what you want to do. This is a predefined one. Just select the average, make sure that is the left bracket is available or not, and then the cell range, first chapter to next chapter, and closing brackets, hit enter, you get the average of which given the data. Okay, now we are going to the multiplication. Multiplication is the same method only. First once you understand the mathematics, any operation remains, you can do it, but you need to understand the idea. Once you get the idea, you can do it. Whenever whatever you see the first time, it will look hard for it. That once you do with the practical, after that is very simple. You will feel that one nothing is there. Okay, now equal symbol, click the first number, and in the multiplication we are going to see the not multiplication with star symbol, and click the next number. Make sure that I not there is two method, you can directly enter the number, otherwise you can select by given the number value. Okay, now after that click enter. See the in this case in one method you can do by the here select the number and star symbol, click the number, you get the answer. Otherwise, but what is the mandatory? The first one you must do it the same column, the condition is the same column. For example, I writing another number. See that, take your mouse in the corner, just to track it in next columns. No need to enter any value, just track method, drag drop method. Okay, we have learned now addition, subtraction, division, exponent, average and multiplication. I hope that all of you understand that one. Thank you.